Assalamu alaikum students. How is everyone? Hope you all will be fine. Students, we are going to start today chapter number 11 and it is about farming in Pakistan. That how farming done in Pakistan most of the time. Okay. First of all, let's talk about the activity. What's to know? Exported. Exported means sent to another country for sale. We are used to send our things like cotton things or minerals or any other things from our country to another country. The next is fertile, capable of producing lots of plant. Zarkhez zameen जिसको हम कहते हैं zarkhez. Vegetation, plants. Crop, a plant that is grown in large quantities. Shrub, a large plant that is smaller than a tree. Let's do its reading. There is a lot to discover about Pakistan. We need to read a lot about Pakistan, that what are the things there in Pakistan. We can learn more about our country by reading about it. यानी कि हम सीख सकते हैं our country, हमारे मुल्क के बारे में after reading about it. यानी कि reading करके. Traveling around it, traveling सफ़र करना, or listening to others who have done so. And listening to others और दूसरों को सुनकर who have done so जो बहुत कुछ कर चुके हैं. We can also learn by watching programs about it. We watch programs, we get a lot of knowledge and we use internet to explore Pakistan. All of us share our nationality and our history. Nationality, qawmiyat and history, tarikh. And we share and enjoy many of the same things such as certain foods, habits, and celebrations. And students, we know that we do celebrations and we are used to invite each others, we are used to invite our friends, we are used to invite our relatives, and we have a lot of fun. However, we are not all the same, and in different parts of the country people live in different ways. In Pakistan, we cannot say that the living style of all the people are same. We are living in different provinces. We are living in different communities, localities. In each localities and communities, they have different living and lifestyle. We share borders with Afghanistan, China, India, and Iran. यानी कि हमारा border जो share होता है with the countries Afghanistan, China, India and Iran. Our country stretches from the mountains in the north to the sea in the south. यानी कि north से south तक हमारा जो पहाड़ी सिलसिला है वो फैला हुआ है. In the mountains, some villages are completely cut off from the other places. But it snows during the winter. It snows, snow falling happens during the winter in mountainous regions. Many people have a few animals and grow their own crops. Along the coastline, at the ports of Gwadar, Armara and Karachi ports, dock to unload the fish they have caught or the goods that they are carrying. There is a port at these mentioned places. Okay, students, underline the places where we are having the ports. And ports are really very important. We export and import different things by using the sea journey, by using the ship and okay. Then they take on goods, crew and supplies before heading back into the Arabian Sea. People who live along the coast have very different lives to those who live in the mountains. Again, we are talking about the different lifestyle living in the mountainous region or at different places. People are having different living style. They eat different foods too. And in the same way, they are used to eat different foods. Much of the waste of Pakistan, and some areas to the south and north are desert areas. They have desert, the areas like the south and the north. At the north places, we are talking about Pakistan's south and north places, they are having desert, sandy areas, are covered in the small shrub vegetations. A large area of the land either side of the Indus River is fertile. Some parts are forest, but much of it is covered in small trees and open shrubs and used by farmers to grow crops. Farmers are used to grow crops in all these areas. They make the sand ready, they make the soil ready for vegetation or farming. The farming land in our country is very important because it provides work for over a third of the population. Farming is a very important population, and this is employment of 1/3 of our total population. Farming is hard but essential work. It's really a tough task to do farming. बहुत मुश्किल काम होता है. Everybody relies on farmers because they produce most of our food. Obviously, food importance, we cannot deny from the importance of the food. So it's the reason the farmers and the farming both are really have much importance in front of us. The main crops we grow in Pakistan are wheat, rice. Students, note down this point. This one is very important. What are the main crops of Pakistan? You can simply say wheat, rice and cotton. But sugarcane, fruits and